and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Abbas, and I'm here for my new video about trigonometry. And today's topic is Pythagoras Theorem. So before starting, do like my video and subscribe the channel and share as well. So what is Pythagoras Theorem and what is the purpose of it? So actually, it is the method for finding unknown side in a right angle triangle. We have discussed about right angled triangles in the last video. So what is the purpose of it? The purpose for it is to find unknown sides. So basically we can find any unknown side in a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle. So the next question is, which side is the longest among all of the sides of right angle triangle? It is hypotenuse. As we have discussed in the previous video, it is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the greatest angle in right angled triangle. In right angled triangle, 90° is the largest angle. So the side opposite to that 90° is the longest side, and that is basically hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side. So what is the standard form which we are discussing today? That is basically the standard form of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse squared equals to perpendicular squared plus base squared. So what are perpendicular and what are base? We will discuss very briefly today, but we will discuss in the next videos in detail when we are discussing about trigonometric ratios. So actually, if this is a triangle, so we can make a right angle triangle like this. In this triangle, as we have discussed earlier, the side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So one of the other two sides is either the base or the perpendicular. Actually, it depends on the given angle. So if we say, if this angle is given, so the side opposite to that given angle is basically perpendicular, and the other side which is adjacent to the given angle and right angle is known as base. So we will discuss this thing in quite detail in the next video. So now I'm giving a quick example that how to find hypotenuse in a right angle triangle quickly and smartly through the calculator. So that this side in a right angle triangle is given that is 4 centimeters, and the other side is given as 3 centimeters, and the side opposite to the right angle is unknown, and basically that is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is unknown in this question, this specific problem in which hypotenuse is unknown and other two sides are given. So how to find hypotenuse? We can simply apply Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle and we know two of the sides and we have to find the third side. So we can simply apply Pythagoras theorem as h squared equals to p squared plus b squared. So any one of the side is to be taken as perpendicular and the other one is to be taken as base. So hypotenuse is unknown. We can simply write down h squared equals to 4 squared plus 3 squared. So now we have to find actually the value of hypotenuse, not hypotenuse squared. So we have to apply square root on both sides. So if we apply square root on both sides, so square root inside there is 4 squared and 3 squared. So how to put this thing in the calculator? Quite easily, and you will be having your answer in just one step. Write down square root inside it and press 4 and this sign, this is square, and then add 3 squared. You can simply press the equals sign. You will be having direct answer. That is 5. So you can simply write down this square and square root will be cut. You can simply write down h equals to 5 centimeters. So in this case, hypotenuse is unknown. So we have found it quite easily through uh, the help of calculator in just one step. So now we are going to solve quickly that either base is unknown or perpendicular is unknown, how we can find through calculator quite easily and effectively. So suppose that if this is a triangle, so this is the hypotenuse and this is one of the side. So in this case, hypotenuse is given such that 13 centimeter. And any one of the side, we can say this is 12 centimeter. And this side is unknown, we can say it as x. So simply apply Pythagoras theorem because the side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. So always take this as h. If you have done anything wrong, you will not be having the correct answer. So h squared equals to p squared plus b squared. The first step is to write down the standard form of Pythagoras theorem, and then you have to apply the values. So h is basically 13, so it is 13 squared equals to p. We can take any one of the side as perpendicular, any one of that will be base. In these specific questions in which angle other than the right angle is not mentioned, okay? So we can say a perpendicular is x and base is 12. So in the next step, we have to bring that known thing onto the left hand side. So 13 squared minus 12 squared equals to x squared. So we have to find x, not x squared. So we have to take square root on both sides. So it becomes 13 squared minus 12 squared and square root of x squared. This square and square root will be cut. So the same process to be done again, that press square root and then 13 squared and minus 12 squared, and then press and you will be having the side other than the one of the sides. So the answer is 5. So x equals to 5 centimeters. So this is all from this video, and if you're facing any problem in Pythagoras theorem or any other topic related to trigonometry, kindly write down in the comment box. I'm desperately waiting for your comments, and goodbye from the next video. Waiting for you guys. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.